Welcome to Trendy Thames channel. Are you struggling to find fun ways to bond with your kids? I've got you covered with 20 activities that will make your family time extra special. First up, let's talk about indoor activities. How about A? Dust off those board games, grab a deck of cards, or piece together a giant puzzle. It's a guaranteed laughter fest. Next, why not try? Let your little chefs help with mixing, decorating cookies, or making a homemade pizza. It's not just delicious, but a great way to teach them some kitchen skills. Feeling creative? Dive into some. Paint, draw, or get hands-on with DIY projects like scrapbooking or making slime. There's no limit to the imagination here. How about a cozy session? Read books aloud, create funny voices for characters, or even write a story together. It's a magical way to connect. For movie lovers, watch a favorite film with homemade popcorn, then chat about it afterward. It's a perfect mix of fun and conversation. Ready to move? Crank up the tunes and show off your best moves and let loose. Or build an epic with blankets, pillows and chairs. Create a cozy hideout for stories and snuggles. Now let's head outdoors, go on. Explore parks, collect leaves, or embark on a scavenger hunt. It's a wonderful way to appreciate nature together. Enjoy around the neighborhood, fresh air and exercise. Perfect combo. Why not try? Plant flowers, herbs, or veggies and watch them grow as a team. Pack some snacks and it's a delightful way to enjoy an outdoor meal. Get sporty with, play soccer, basketball, or just toss a frisbee. It's all about fun and teamwork. On clear nights, indulge in some. Lay outside and identify constellations. It's a serene and educational experience. Into science? Conduct awesome like volcanoes or slime. Learning has never been this fun. Create an adventurous indoors or outdoors. Challenge each other and see who conquers it fastest. Learn something new together. Whether it's knitting, coding, or playing an instrument, it's about growing together. Consider. Help at an animal shelter, clean a park, or donate toys. It's a heartwarming way to give back. For some tech-free bonding, start, write or draw in a shared journal. Capture those precious memories, or tackle a big as a family. It's both challenging and rewarding. And last but not least, let your child choose the activities for a whole day. Within reason, of course, that's it. 20 fun activities to help you bond with your kids. Give them a try and watch your family grow closer than ever. Thanks for tuning in.